The next dance we would like to show you is another popular little dance called the Bambi Blues. Now this commences in shadow hold, left arms joined, right hand round the lady's waist, and the lady and gent will both dance on the same foot for the first 5 bars. We commence with the left foot, 2 walks and a little zigzag. Slow, slow, forward, side, back. We repeat that now, moving diagonal to the centre, starting the right foot. 2 walks and a zigzag, forward, side, back. Now we're both going to dance 2 walks together, and the gentleman will walk 2 while the lady does an inward turn to face her partner, and we adopt double hold. So we're going to walk slow, slow lady turns, quick, quick, slow, and there's our double hold. We're going to do an open chassis, which means that the feet don't close together. Quick, quick, slow. The boy now will do another open chassis, moving to the side against the line, while the lady turns underneath the gentleman's right arm, and quick, 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 quick. And we finish in double hold. From here now, we're going to just do step points, moving down the line of dance. Gentleman, of course, starting left, lady right. And step, point, step, point. Step, point, step, point. We're going to do a chassis to change places. Quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. We repeat the step points. Gent now starting right, lady starting left, and step, point, step, point, step, point, step, point. We repeat the rotary chassis with the lady turning on the second half into shadow hold. Quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Lady closes without weight. So now we are both ready to commence the sequence again, starting with our left foot.